Well, hello. I'm getting ready for a student right now, and I thought, I need to do a really quick video and encourage you that this weekend, if you haven't been singing out, if you haven't sung for anybody for a while, do it. Warm up your voice, find some people to sing for, and sing. We've got to do the craft that we love. We've got to actually, if we say we're singers, we have to sing. If we say we're performers, we've got to perform. My students that aren't singing out yet, that aren't doing shows, and they're learning their craft, well, we did a show just recently, and it was amazing because they got to do the thing that they love to do, which I always talk about, and And it taught them, oh my gosh, there's so much that happens to me when I get on the stage that didn't happen in the practices we have. So we have performance practices, and they went wonderfully. And then we had the show, and it went well too, but the pressures were amazing because now you have people, especially now, you have people in front of you, and it's something about that time and that schedule, getting dressed up, being behind the curtain, being called out, your name is called out, and there's nobody else there on the stage. It's just you. You have to perform. That really puts the rubber, the rubber meets the road, shall we say, and you see where you're at. Even myself, not performing as much as I used to do, I'm a little rusty on things, and I need that much more practice. So 10 times the practice for the performance that you do. So they're preparing to go out and do more performances, do more auditions. How about you? Are you ready to do that? Well, I gotta tell you, you've got to leave it in the comments. Message me. Let me know what's happening with you, how I can help you. Where are you having difficulties? We all have them, In the last show, it was me remembering the words of a new song. Because most songs that I sing, I've sung them for a long time, so I'm not worried about that. It's just having to do everything else, being the producer, the director, being everything, the cook and bottle washer. It was that for me. But for you, what is it for you? What is it? Is it hitting the notes? Is it having enough breath? Is it just freak that you're in front of people? I don't know what it is for you, but I'd love to know. So, give me a message and let me know. And I'm going to help you with it, I promise. Okay? All right, listen, have a wonderful, wonderful day. It is, subscribe, ring the bell. It is such a day, such a mighty fine day. Yeah, such a mighty fine, such a mighty fine, such a mighty fine day. Yeah. Bye, 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 bye.